Signature Puff Puff by Yellow Plates, the Milky Way Oreo Puff Puff. Hi everyone, on today's video we're going to be making the famous Yellow Plate Puff Puff. This Puff Puff make the whole Lagos State and Abuja talking about how yummy this Puff Puff is. This is my first time trying it, but I have a little bit of twist on my sleeve that I want to infuse in this Puff Puff. So come along with me. I have 3.5 cups of sieved flour here. Then I'll be adding half cup of sugar, 5 ml of nutmeg, 7.5 ml of vanilla extract, 10 grams of yeast. I'll put all ingredients and recipe in description below. This is instant yeast, so I don't need to put it in the water to rise up, to activate it. So now I have about 1.5 cups of water, warm water. I'll be putting it bit by bit because your puff puff doesn't need to be watery. You can use your hand and you can use a spatula just like I'm doing. You just need to bring it into a smooth batter. I'll be adding a little bit more water. So now we have a smooth batter. Now, here is the twist. I'm going to be breaking few pieces of oreos in my batter. Oops. I'm using about 4 pieces. Then we mix, putting in my oreos into my batter. Then we need to let this cook for about 45 to 50 minutes. If you stay in Nigeria, good for you, because Nigeria is mostly warm and sunny. But if you stay outside Nigeria, you need to put this in a warm place. After 45 minutes, then you need to remove the bubbles. Just basically massage it to take out the bubbles before you start frying. I'll be placing some honey into my oil just to give it a flavor. Now my oil has been on medium heat for about maybe 7 minutes now, and I want to show you how I scoop in my batter. There are different ways you can make puff puff. You can put your batter into the oil, but I'll be putting some oil on my palm just like this. So that it will be easier for me to scoop in my batter.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just
you're about to put water into your flour, you need to put a little bit of water, not little, but not too much, at least enough to cover your flour, but not too watery. That is the only way to make your batter puff up like this. So now I want to take out the onion. So I'm about to turn it to the other side. This side has been on it for like 7 minutes now, or 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So in between 7 to 5 minutes, because it's on low to medium heat. So I'm about to take this out. It has been on the heat for about 10 minutes now. And I'll be repeating the process for the remaining batter until it's all done. Crunchy on the outside, super soft on the inside. So now we're going to garnish with condensed milk. Then Oreos. I'm using 2 different types of Oreos. Then powdered milk. Condensed milk again. And I'll be crushing in chocolate vanilla Oreo. And we are good to go. This is just basically ijepuje, because there's a lot of sugar going on, but trust me guys, I'm sure it tastes good. And I'm about to try now. Yum.